welcome back to my channel. So today we are honestly filming something I never in my wildest dreams thought I would be filming, but Uggs are having a comeback. So I'm 30, so I am old enough that I experienced Uggs the first time round, and never in my life did I think Uggs would return as a trend. So back in the, was it kind of like the mid-2000s, I guess, Uggs were a massive trend. Every celebrity was wearing Uggs. I can actually vividly remember the first time I saw a celeb wearing a pair of Uggs, and it was Hannah from S Club 7. And she was shooting something where she was like interviewing other celebs in LA. I don't know why I remember this. And I just remember going to mum like, why is she wearing snow boots in LA? And I still think that now, but I remember thinking how amazing she looked in these boots, and from then on I needed a pair. So I probably had about 3 or 4 pairs of Uggs back in their original heyday. I was very blessed that my dad lived over in the States where they were a lot cheaper, so I did manage to get quite a few pairs. The saddest ones, I had a bright pink mini pair, which were honestly just chef's kiss. Like, I have no idea where they are, and it's killing me because they were so perfect and so beautiful. They could be under this bed. There's a possibility they are under my bed, and I just haven't kind of got the gusto in me to have a look for them yet, because I think I had a moment last year where I was like, fuck it, I'm bringing Uggs back, and bought them from my mum's to here. And you know what, I think it was Emma Chamberlain did it for me. Like, what a queen. She must have heard my calling and bought Uggs back for me. So now Uggs are back. I remember how much I loved them, and honestly never thought they came back. So I had to pick up a new pair, and the ones I've been seeing everybody wearing is the ultra lows. So yeah, they're called the Ugg Classic Ultra Minis, and this is the box they came in. These are actually ridiculously hard to get my hands on. When I was in America, I was like, oh, I should get them. I was in New York at the beginning of December for my birthday, and I was like, oh, I should get them. And then I was like, nah, like, how long are Uggs gonna stay in trend for? Like, do I really want them? Are they something that I really need to add to my wardrobe? And I came back and I was like, you know what, yes, I loved them back then, and I'm so happy they're back. Just get them. And I don't think I'd ever go for any of like the high Uggs, like the old school looking ones, but these ultra mini ones are a little bit different, and I think they're a lot more kind of subtle than maybe a standard Ugg is. So without further ado, I feel like I need to show you them. I'm probably going to do a little bit of a styling these up segment at the end of the video as well, because I'm honestly a bit confused about how I'm going to style these. Do I just wear them with everything or what? So I need to have a play around. I've worn them one time and I forgot how comfortable they are, but we'll get into that. So they were quite hard to get my hands on. I went for the black colour, but these come in black and then the normal kind of Ugg browns as well, and I think one other colour, but I don't remember which one. But they were very hard to get my hands on. I picked them up from Shoe, and I got the last pair of size 4s in Shoe, and they were completely sold out on John Lewis as well. So and the Ugg website. So that was the black. The black had a few sizes, but the browns were just completely sold out. Maybe if you go into a store you can find them, but they were very hard to find online. If I find any links, I will link them all down below if you guys want to pick these up. But yeah, I went for the black ultra lows. So they're going to be quite hard to show on camera because of course they are black. I've worn these one time and they're, you know, still in fine condition from wearing them once. That was my other thing with Uggs, is because they're suede that they get quite battered quite quickly. But I went for a size 4, which is my actual size, and they fit really well. They are quite like stiff and hard at the back, so they're quite like, you have to really give them a good tug on. They're not like the cheap Uggs where you literally just flop your foot into them. I've kind of forgot that about them. You do have to kind of fight to get them on a little bit, but that's okay. Once they're in, they are the most comfortable shoe ever. So yeah, I'd say stick to your normal size. And I do remember about Uggs is they are slightly narrow, so they are on the more narrow side. Luckily I have quite a narrow foot, so it doesn't make a difference for me. They're fleece lined with black on the inside, which is good because I wouldn't want kind of cream poking up. Like, I like that they're all black, but they do have the like sheepskin colour on the inside, and they are ultra low. So I remember the ones I had went up probably about here, I'd say, whereas these are definitely a lot lower. And it means like even ankle socks pop up above them, which I don't really like the look of. So I think I'm gonna get some trainer socks to go with these, because I just think that'll look a little bit cuter than having like a sock poking up, unless it's like a statement sock and it's part of the outfit. I don't really want that vibe. But yeah, I've worn them one time so far and they are ridiculously comfortable. I completely forgot how comfortable Uggs actually are. And then on the bottom they've obviously got all the Ugg branding as well, and in terms of branding they've also got Ugg on the back, which is quite subtle, which I quite like, because I wouldn't want it just want to focus on my face. Do you want to focus on that? There we go. Yeah, they've got Ugg on the back in leather, and I like the subtlety of that. The sole is like very like squidgy, foamy, and then they've got the kind of stitchings all round and on the side as well. And then, like I said, you can see the black kind of popping up throughout. So yeah, I would say my main kind of notes with these are go for your they're true to size in my opinion. They are very comfortable. Remember, they're a lot stiffer to get on than you would expect, and yeah, they are just so cute. I'm gonna put together some styling bits now, so I'll throw those in, show you how I am wearing these bad boys. Yeah. I don't think I'll be thinking too much about how I wear them. I think they're genuinely just going to become my like absolute everyday shoe though. But so many cool chicks are styling them up at the moment that I might throw in some pictures of other outfits of people wearing them as well, because they're badass. And I never thought I'd be saying that about a pair of Uggs ever again in my life, but you know what, we're here and I'm so here for it. If you enjoyed the video, guys, please do remember to hit that subscribe button to stay updated for future videos. I upload every Monday at 6 PM, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.